Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal Express Checkout Shopify not working. This is going to be a super easy tutorial. You will only need to follow the steps. The first thing you will need to do is to log into your Shopify account and then simply click on Settings in the lower left corner, and from there in the settings click on Payments on the left. You will need to find and click on the PayPal section. In my case, I do not have a PayPal set up, but if you do, you will have it on there. You will need to deactivate the linked PayPal account. You will simply see the deactivate option. So just deactivate it and click on Activate PayPal Express Checkout. You will need to log in or sign up for your PayPal account and then return to Shopify and ensure the PayPal account is linked. In the payments list, just click Choose a Provider and then select your preferred payment provider and then simply verify that your PayPal account is now linked and active. Then the only thing you need to do is to confirm the activate status to resolve checkout errors. So basically, this is how to resolve this issue. Super easy and simple.